Hi guys, how's everything going? I hope you are doing great, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe and don't miss further lessons. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about beginner vocabulary, days of the week. There are 7 days of the week, and I actually divided them into 2 groups. Okay, first of all, let's learn how to pronounce them correctly. Yes, the first one is Monday. This is the beginning of the week. Monday, Monday, Monday. Tuesday. You can say T or Ch, Tuesday. I love to pronouncing it like Tuesday. I prefer to pronounce it like Ch, Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Remember, the letter D is silent. We don't pronounce the letter D. We don't say Wednesday. We say Wednesday. Wednesday, 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 Wednesday. Okay, the next one is Thursday, 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 Thursday. And this one is Friday. Yes, this is long I. Friday, 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 Friday. Yes, we actually don't put the stress to the words day. The primary stress is on the first syllable. Try again. Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, these are called weekdays. Yes, these are called weekdays. Weekdays, we actually work on these days. We work on these days, and it is called weekdays. And Saturday, 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 and Sunday, 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 Sunday. These 2 are called weekends. Weekends. We can just relax or visit our grandparents or hang out with our friends. Yes, weekends, weekends, weekends. And when we do something on these days, we say, at the weekend. Yes, at the weekend, I visit my grandpa. Or at the weekend, I visit my grandparents. At the weekend, I go shopping with my parents. At the weekend, I just stay in bed and surf the net. At the weekends, I do the total cleaning. So, at the weekend and on the weekend. What is the difference between at the weekend and on the weekend? Actually, if you are in Britain, you say at the weekend. If you are in the USA, you say on the weekend. On the weekend, I go shopping with my mom. On the weekend, I visit my grandparents. Okay, now we can see preposition on before days of the week, and the preposition is on. On Monday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I have my English class On Wednesday, on Wednesday, on Wednesday. On Thursday, on Thursday. On Thursday, I go bird watching. On Thursday, I go bird watching. On Friday, on Friday. On Saturday, on Saturday. On Saturday, I wake up late. On Saturday, I wake up late. On Sunday, on Sunday, I don't have breakfast. On Sunday, I don't have breakfast. Okay, that's it for today. I hope the lesson was helpful. See you next time. Bye-bye.